Hello smart people, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to talk about Google Chat tips again and the way how to customize the Google Chat notifications on iPhone. The device that I use today is iPhone XR, and the way to customize the notification on the Google Chat, we need to open the Google Chat application first. So we need to go back into the home page right here, and after that, to set the notification, we need to go click these three straight lines on the top left corner, and after that we need to visit the settings. Whenever we are stay in the settings, now we need to go into this notification sections, and there will be like three options here. So if you want to get notification whenever chat start to be come up into your Google Chat account, make sure that this button is on. But then if you are really in a busy condition and you don't want any notification from Google Chat coming into your phone, you just need to go click do not disturb here, and you can activate how long will you activate this mode on your phone. So let's say you don't want to be disturbed for 1 hour start from you activate or open the Google Chat now. So you just need to click this 1 hour so that the Google Chat will ban every notifications that coming into your phone, so that your phone will stay silent whenever the message or Google Chat is coming up. And then for the next thing, you can customize its notification sound. So if you want to choose the specific sounds for your Google Chat notification, you can just go click it and choose which type of notification that you want to use. And after you've run the best one, you just need to click done, and you're really finished in customize the Google Chat notification. So that's for today's talking, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you again for the next tutorial.